Welcome to our channel. Today, we're breaking down how to sign up for Microsoft free certification programs, step by step, simple, and easy to follow. Step 1. Visit the Microsoft Learn website. Go to Microsoft Learn and explore the free learning paths and certifications available. Microsoft often offers free certification exams or learning resources for specific roles like Azure, Power Platform, or Microsoft 365. Step 2. Create or sign in with a Microsoft account. You'll need a Microsoft account to access the learning modules and track your progress. If you don't have one, create it for free on the Microsoft website. Step 3. Browse free learning paths. Search for free certification learning paths on Microsoft Learn. Each path shows the skills you'll learn, estimated time, and whether a free exam or voucher is available. Step 4. Enroll in the program. Click Start Learning on the chosen path. All learning modules are online, self-paced, and free. Complete the courses to prepare for the certification exam. Step 5. Register for a free exam if available. If Microsoft is offering a free exam, follow the instructions to schedule it. You may need to apply a voucher or access code provided through Microsoft Learn or specific promotion pages. Step 6. Complete the exam and earn your digital certificate from Microsoft, which you can share on LinkedIn or include in your resume. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.